Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to hide apps in Android without using another app. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead to your settings, and it depends on your Android version. If you do not have an option called home, you cannot be able to hide your apps. And in this Android version, I cannot hide my apps. So what I have to do is go ahead and download another launcher. So that is what we are going to do. So what you want to do is go ahead to the App Store, and we are going to download Microsoft Launcher. So you go ahead to the App Store, go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Launcher, and we are going to install the app. It should take a few minutes, and once it downloads, we are going to launch the app. It is very easy to use. So you click get started, allow location while using the app, and we are going to allow permissions. You can differentiate your wallpapers, then click continue. You do not have to sign in. You do not need a Microsoft account. You can click skip, then click OK. You can also go ahead and click continue, and we are all set. So what you want to do is hold on your screen and you'll get the launcher settings. Click on launcher settings and click on home screen, and you can see the hidden apps option, and you can hide the apps that you want to hide. Sometimes it's very beneficial to hide your apps. So for example, I've hidden the assistive touch, and now you can see that my app is hidden. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.